Here we have a Volkswagen T-Roc 1.5 litre TSI SEL Evo 150 PS. Now the car is a lot better than the weather, and it has a top spec, including adaptive cruise control with front assist, a forward collision warning, lane assist, silver roof rails, distance monitoring, rear tinted windows, a city emergency brake, and these 18-inch Arlo alloy wheels. Now the boot's huge and it comes with a full-size spare wheel. The interior has 2-zone climate control, an eCall emergency call service, and an 8-inch colour touchscreen. So for more information, feel free to phone, email or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.